Hi there, it's Tana here from Textdrip. If you've been using our awesome Landline Remover tool, you'll be excited to know that you can now fully integrate it right into your Textdrip account. And today, I'm going to be showing you how. You're probably wondering, why should you integrate Landline Remover into Textdrip? Well, it's really simple. This integration cuts out the middleman, letting you manage everything seamlessly inside your Textdrip dashboard. So instead of going to landlineremover.com, then uploading your files and then bringing it back over to Textdrip, you can now do that all within your Textdrip account. By connecting Landline Remover, you can now make sure that your SMS campaigns are only sent to mobile numbers, helping to boost your deliverability rate and help save time and resources. This is how it works. When you upload your CSV file, Landline Remover helps to identify what number are landlines versus mobile numbers. You can now focus on the efforts exactly where they matter. The first thing you need to do is go to landlineremover.com and then get your API key. You can actually find that on the left-hand side of your account by clicking on API. Let's go ahead and copy that. Once you copy that, then we're going to go ahead and go back into Textdrip. From Textdrip, once you are logged in, and on the left-hand side of your account, you're going to go down to integrations. From integrations, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to actually select where it says Landline Remover. From here, it's really simple. You're going to simply just copy and paste your Landline Remover API key here and click on Save. Now, once you click on Save, we have different ways for you to actually choose where to check your numbers. First is Import. This is you can actually scan numbers when uploading your CSV file. Next are Buckets. This is going to help to validate your numbers within Textdrip buckets. Next, Web. Now, from here, you're going to be able to check numbers from your web submissions. And last but not least is API. You're going to be able to validate your numbers via API. We're also going to adjust some settings. The first thing is the DNC block. Want to block your DNC numbers? Turn that on to stay compliant and avoid messaging restricting contacts. Next, need to handle landline numbers separately? You can do that by choosing them to go to a specific pipeline for alternative follow-ups like phone calls. From here, you can select the pipeline that you want to actually go to before you create it. Now, once you set your preferences, you are all set. Landline Remover is now fully integrated within Textdrip. Now, here's a couple of pro tips before you go. Litigators are blocked by default. Landline or VoIP numbers are automatically tagged as landline. Now, you'll be able to clearly see that within your contacts. If you would like to actually look up any of your landline, you can actually go here to Advanced Search, go to Status, and be able to look up all of your landline litigators or your DNC contacts. Now, let Textdrip help you to streamline your lead processes and optimize your drip campaigns by integrating Landline Remover today. For more details or information about Landline Remover integration, you can always book another demo, use the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.